Hello guys, how do we simplify this nested root problem? Solution. So we are going to consider each of these guys. So we have 10. This can be written as 2 plus 3 plus 5. So let's call this equation 1. Now square root of 24. So this equals, we can write it as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Which can also be written as square root of 2 times square root of 2 times square root of 2 times square root of 3. So this equals square root of 2 times square root of 2, that is square root of 4. And square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 2 times square root of 3. So let's call this equation 2, which is square root of 24. So now let's consider square root of 40. Square root of 40, we can write it as square root of 2 times 2 times 2 times 5, which can also be written as square root of 2 times square root of 2 times square root of 2 times square root of 5. So this equals square root of 2 times square root of 2, that is square root of 4. And square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 2 times square root of 5. So which is square root of 40. So let's call this equation 3. Now for square root of 60, we're gonna have square root of 60 to be equals 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, which can also be written as square root of 2 times square root of 2 times square root of 3 times square root of 5. Square root of 2 times square root of 2, that is square root of 4. And square root of 4 is 2. So we're going to have 2 times square root of 3 times square root of 5. So let's call this equation 4, which is square root of 60. So the next step is that we are going to plug in all these equations from 1 to 4 into this guy. So we're going to have square root, a very big one, of what is 10. We're going to replace 10 with this guy. So we're going to have 2 plus 3 plus 5. So let's put it in bracket. Plus what next? That is square root of 24. So we are going to replace square root of 24 with this. So we're going to have 2 times square root of 2 times square root of 3 plus. The next one is square root of 40. So we're going to replace it with this guy. So we're going to have 2 times square root of 2 times square root of 5 plus square root of 60, which is this guy. So we're going to have 2 times square root of 3 times square root of 5. So this equals square root of 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus, we observe that 2 is common in each of these guys. So let us pull it out. We're going to have 2 into square root of 2 times square root of 3 plus square root of 2 times square root of 5 plus square root of 3 times square root of 5. Now we have to recall one properties. Let's say we have a plus b plus c all squared. When we expand this guy, we're going to have a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2 into ab plus ac plus bc. By comparison, you observe that these guys are similar. So a squared is equals to 2, b squared is 3, and c squared is 5. So we're going to have a squared to be equals to 2. So square root of both sides, we're going to have a to be equals square root of 2. Now b squared, that is 3. Square root of both sides, we're going to have b equals square root of 3. Now c squared, which is 5. Square root of both sides, we're going to have c to be equals square root of 5. Since this right hand side is the same thing as this left hand side, so we are going to plug in this guy here. So from here, we're going to have this to be equals square root of, that will be a plus b plus c all squared. This is letter c. So this equals square root of, what is a? That is square root of 2. So we have square root of 2 plus, what is b? That is square root of 3 plus, what is c? That is square root of 5 all squared. So this equals, this square root of takes care of these two. So we have square root of 2 plus square root of 3 plus square root of 5. So this is the required solution. You can confirm this by checking it in your calculator. So that's it for this video. Peace.